Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Safari not working on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem, so how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, just simply open the settings and you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and you have to make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN. If there is an connected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then go back and tap on general, scroll down and tap on date and time, and make sure that the date and time is correct. If it is not correct, then simply correct your date and time, and after that turn this toggle to automatically. And after that go back, and from here tap on iPhone storage, scroll down until you can see Safari. Here it is. So simply tap on the website data, and from here guys just simply clear the website data, and after that guys hope restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.